With more people working from home than ever before, it is becoming extremely important to have a dedicated and efficient workspace. Whether you're working from home full-time or just need a space for occasional tasks, creating a comfortable and productive home office is essential. Hi everyone, welcome to MBTV. I'm your host Tanu Sardana, and in today's video we are going to discuss 5 home office setup ideas to boost your productivity. From ergonomic furniture to inspirational decor, we'll cover everything you need to know to transform your workspace into a productivity powerhouse. So let's get started, but before that, subscribe to MBTV and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ergonomic furniture is essential for maintaining good posture and comfort, allowing you to work efficiently without the risk of strain or injury. Start with a high-quality chair that provides excellent lumbar support and allows you to adjust the height and recline. Pair this with an adjustable desk that can be set to the perfect height for both sitting and standing. This setup promotes good posture, reduces the risk of back pain, and ensures you can work comfortably for extended periods. Remember, the right furniture not only supports your health but also boosts your productivity by making your workspace more comfortable and efficient. A clutter-free workspace is key to staying focused and organized, enhancing your overall productivity and efficiency. You can keep your cords and cables neatly arranged with cable clips, ties, and sleeves. These simple tools can bundle and route your cables efficiently, keeping them out of sight and reducing distractions. Additionally, consider installing under-desk trays or baskets to keep cables off the floor and out of your way. Effective cable management not only creates a cleaner workspace, but it also ensures that cables don't get damaged and prevents potential hazards, making your home office safer and more efficient. Next on the list is to have as much natural lighting as possible. Natural lighting boosts your productivity and well-being by reducing eye strain and enhancing your mood. If possible, arrange your desk to face or be perpendicular to a window to maximize the amount of daylight you receive. Complement the natural light with adjustable blinds or curtains to control glare and maintain a comfortable work environment. Natural light can significantly help you regulate your sleep cycle, ensuring you stay alert and focused throughout the day. Now we are going to reveal the most basic yet important element to have in your workspace at home. That is to have inspirational decor and plants. Inspirational decor sparks creativity and motivation, making your workspace more enjoyable and stimulating. Adding elements such as plants, artwork, and motivational quotes can boost your productivity and creativity, keeping you motivated. Plants, for instance, not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your office but also improve air quality and reduce stress. Choose decor that resonates with you personally and reflects your style, making your home office a space where you feel inspired and energized. Soundproofing is a game changer for your home office, especially with all the distractions and noise coming from the outside. Implement soundproofing techniques such as using rugs and curtains to reduce noise levels. Rugs and carpets can absorb sound and prevent it from bouncing around the room, while heavy curtains can block external noise. Additionally, consider adding bookcases or partitions to create a barrier against sound. A quiet workspace minimizes distractions and allows you to concentrate better on your tasks, ultimately boosting your productivity. I hope you enjoyed watching these home office setup ideas and found them useful. Implementing these tips can make a big difference in your comfort and productivity. Don't forget to subscribe to MBTV and share your home office transformations in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Share it with your friends and family. This is me, Tanu Sadana, signing off with camera person Tarak. See you in the next video.